Jenny from OrigamiTree, bringing you free crafty fun all year round. And today I'm at St. John's University for the Origami Convention. So I was here last year as well, and I did a video tour of the art exhibit. If you want to go check that out, I'll leave it in the video description down below, so you can just click on it and watch that. I wanted to make this video for those of you guys who cannot make it to New York City to see all these beautiful artworks in person. It really is incredible. So if one year you can come here, make sure you do. But before we jump into the video, if you are new to this channel, welcome. Be sure you hit that subscribe button. Also turn on those notifications so you'll be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. I post a new video every week, so I hope you would join me. And without further ado, let's jump right in. So I am here with Boyce Wong from Beaverton, Oregon, and he actually made all of these models behind us. So tell me a little bit about your models.
Yeah, so my designs are the samurai. That's probably the highlight of the ones I made. And I actually have a YouTube tutorial for them if you guys want to check it out. But as you can see, a lot of them are kind of different, and I just really wanted it to kind of have a bunch of possibilities with shaping. So each samurai is different in its own way.
And tell me a little bit more about these scorpions here.
Yeah, so these two are by Kota Ime, and then the stag beetles by Kamiya Satoshi. And I use these insects to learn how to read crease patterns. So these are...
Oh, really?
Yeah, these are just kind of my learning tool. And then the centipede, I saw last year's convention special guest. He brought his design in and gave me the crease pattern, and I wanted to fold it too. So I got a chance to fold that and bring it in.
that's it. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed that video tour of the origami art exhibition at St. John's University. For those who are unable to come in person, I hope you felt like you were kind of here with me. Leave your comments below letting me know what your favorite model is. I really love that koi fish exhibition because it had fish, and I have a very soft spot for fish because I have an aquarium at home and a whole bunch of fishies. But anyway, if you are new to this channel, be sure you show your support by hitting that subscribe button and also turning on those notifications for crafty fun all year round. If you'd like to further support this channel, I am selling t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, pillowcases, and all this cool stuff. I'm gonna link that in the video description down below. It says hello my crafty friends on it, and it's rainbowy and colorful, and all of the proceeds are going to go towards funding workshops for seniors and kids in New York City. So thank you in advance for your support, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!